J-61119-2. Job name Congregation Shalom per Linda Holyfield. Address 7630 North Santa Monica Boulevard, Fox Point, Wisconsin 53217. Counter is at 129 feet. We are at a Y connection. Looks like 6-inch clay on all 3 points of the Y. This is in the coat closet. Again, we are located in the entry to the coat closet between the social hall and the anteroom.
So that was what, 139?
Yep. We're passing underneath the wall between the coat closet and the social hall at a 45-degree angle, approximately. And here we are turning now to go straight through the social hall. Just a small fracture at the top right corner of the 45, very minor. Here we have a Y fitting on its back. This point is marked in the social hall. It's about midway through the social hall, from the wall adjoining the coat closet to the entrance to the north lobby. We are 6-inch clay through this area. We also have a little bit higher water levels. Something else that is causing great problems, we can see evidence of pre-moistened wet wipes, as well as tampons that are being flushed down the toilet. Here at about 73 feet, we can see on the top of the screen another Y connection. This is the visible floor cleanout in the social hall, right by the entrance into the north lobby. Right upstream of that cleanout Y is a 45-degree turn, approximately, to go inward into the north lobby. Here's one of our fracture sections. We also have wet wipes or tin tampons catching at this point. Our footage is about 51 feet. The fracture is visible in the upper right corner, right quadrant of the pipe. Also, we have higher water level too at this point. Here's the pipe is sagged a little bit here, which is probably why it's cracked. More snagging points for tampons and wet wipes. Another halo fracture going up the right quadrant to the top of the pipe there at that joint. Yep, about 44 feet on the counter there. Another halo fracture at about 42 feet. Wide junction at about 32 foot. Perhaps going to auxiliary plumbing. Transition from clay to PVC at about 28 feet. Access point for the camera is at a floor cleanout next to the toilet in the men's bathroom at the end of the toilet lineup. Camera is zeroed out basically at the base at the floor. Again, access point visible down there next to the toilet. Okay, this time we reset the camera without the spacer bushing. We got a little farther. We got around that 6-inch clay Y. Footage is at 132 feet. Visible on the top left quadrant of the pipe is the clean out Y, which is positioned underneath the water meter in a little closet next to the coat closet by the antrim room. So we have the spacer bushing off so that we can better see any accumulating water spots. As we can see right now at this Y connection at 130, we can see some visible standing water, higher water levels here through that junction point. Here it levels off to normal pitch. Just to simulate water usage and be able to see the dynamics of the water flow, we have a toilet running with the flapper off, so we can just have constant water running through the drain. Another higher water point here at 124. Just a brief spot there at that joint. Normal water. Another high point briefly at 121, very brief. Another spot at 118. It looks like a couple inches deep at this point. See the horizon of the water level. This is as we're going around the 45-degree turn. Stops at 117. Small pool of water at 114. very small pool at 108. Another one at 105. Good pitch through these sections and joints. Water level at normal. Higher water at 189, at 89 feet, briefly. Sanitary napkin, just freshly flushed. Higher water level here. Higher level water starts at about 88 feet. A couple inches high here, we can see that. Continuing from that point. So about 83, 80. Higher water here at 77. Just a brief pool there. Again, we're underneath the right about here. We're at a 45. It's right below the cleanout between the north lobby and the social hall. Got water pooling there at that connection. Starting the standing water here at 69 feet. Seems like just a brief pool up. We have cooling water here. The camera just kind of wants to favor the side of the pipe where it stays out of the water. But probably about 66 feet starts. We're kind of riding the side of the pool. As you can see, it's a couple inches high. Continuing here. Stops at about 60 feet. Pool, pretty deep one at 55. Stops about 52. Standing water at 42, just a brief spot. cooling water here at about 34. Just read it, just kind of keeps on going here to about 33. Transition point to PVC. PVC's got good pitch, good condition of the pipe.